If you're new here, you may be like, girl, what are you doing? Don't question me again. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by OMG Her Hair. They sent me this unit to try for you guys. It is also Slip and Slay, and your girl don't got nothing today. Okay, I mean not a drop of water. Wait a minute, hold on. I got a little water. Water today, liquor tomorrow. But anyway, before I show you guys how to install this wig as a beginner, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from OMG Her Hair. All the specs for my unit as well as the products that I'm using in this video will be listed down below, so if you guys want to check them out, you can. Let's go ahead and get this wig on my head. Now, I already prepped my wig. I did my wash, detangling, mini defining, and blow drying for this unit. I am using my Black Radiant Soft Focus Powder in the color Milk Chocolate to tint my lace. I did get some shedding during that process, a little bit more than I expected for this unit because the curl is a little bit looser. I'm hoping I don't keep getting shedding like that because it did shed every single time that I ran my fingers through it. It did lessen over time, but still, I don't want to keep losing hair because the unit is pretty long and it's not that thick. It's 180% density, but for this length, it can look really thin after a while. As far as the defining process, I really wanted a lived-in unit. I didn't want it to be super defined. So I just went in with my Shea Moisture Frizz-Free Mousse. Even though it says frizz-free, I didn't use it as a frizz-free mousse because I diffused the hair on warm. When you diffuse the hair on warm, you're adding frizz and poofiness to the hair. So make sure if you don't want any frizz, you blow dry the unit on cool. My unit did come with the elastic band already attached, as well as the nape grip in the back with the combs on the back and the sides, and the anti-slip ear grip right here, as well as the C-shape ear tab area. So that's good for my ears and my glasses because, you know, I got to see in real life. I don't wear these bad boys for fun. Okay, stretch that cap out a bit. Hopefully this is a perfect fit. Stretch it over, bring it down. Okay, figure out where I wanted to sit. This is a 12x6 unit, so it doesn't give you that full frontal. Your sideburns will be out, but I honestly don't mind that because that's actually pretty good coverage for me. Let me clip this back so I can get my hairline together. I think I like prepping my wig prior to sitting down with y'all because it just goes a lot faster in my opinion. I'm going to use my Nairobi mousse to lay my wig down. This is a mold, not a hold. I'm just using it to kind of swirl my baby hairs a little bit because this is a curly unit, so I can do that. If you're new here, you may be like, girl, what are you doing? When I unwrap this bad boy, you'll see exactly why I do this. They did send me a band. Wait a minute. Let me free. Goodness. Y'all already see it's drying down and looks good, right? Yeah. OMG Her Hair. Here we go. I'm gonna put a little bit up here, not too much. Just kind of hold this back a bit. Like so. Let me get my Big Papa, this gel that I tried the other day from The Dew. I'm gonna take a little bit and put on some of the curls. So just kind of alleviate some of that frizz. I don't want to put more mousse on it. A little bit in between the fingers. Not a finger. Can't believe we are already in March, child. Just a little touch up like that. Just a little bit. A little bit on the top. You know I can't find my spray bottle? I'm pretty sure my teenager then came up here and bogarted my stuff and then be acting like he don't know where it is. I bet you it's right up in his room. Did not tell you. That's why I do what I do, baby. Don't question me again. I can move back what I don't need or what's, you know, down too far. Like this little piece right here, that's a little too much right there. So I'm just gonna bring that up like so. And because I use that mousse, it's a mold. So it molds those hairs down. I'm gonna fix my side over here. It's a little liffy-loo. Put my glasses right over top of that lace on that edge to alleviate any lifting over there. I like wearing glasses. Very pretty, very pretty. If I wanna do like a little flip over, I can definitely do that. I did get some tangles during the wash of this wig. Make sure you do the finger combing first before you use your detangler brush. The detangler brush may pull out more hair than you want. I just kind of want a messy, all over type of look. Yeah, I mean, and that's pretty much it for the look. Yeah. Okay, y'all, so here's the final look. Nothing crazy. Do y'all like the flip over or the middle part? Which one? The hair feels soft. Matter of fact, hold up. Where's my spray? Hold on, I wanna add a little shine to my wig. So I'm gonna use my silk spray, get off my glasses, just to add some shine and finishing touches to the wig. Now we're done. And then they gave me a coupon code. It will take about $30 off this wig. So that is, hold on, I wrote it down. So that will make my wig $289. However, comma, they are currently having a spring sale that will give you 30% off. So this wig will be $223. Now I don't know how long that sale gonna be, okay? But the code is spring. It's on the website. After that sale ends, or if it's another wig that you wanna get that is not included in the sale, you can use my code for the $30 off. But for this wig, use their code, okay? Save more money. Wait a minute, now how long was my light off? Okay, but all in all, this wig looks pretty good. I'm still wearing my unit Glueless, as you can see, okay? No glue at all around my wig, none. And this 12x6 is actually pretty perfect for my hairline. It gives me a little bit more frontal space than the 9x6, 7x5, 6x4.5. If you suffer from hair loss or thin edges, then you can definitely rock this wig around your hairline with no problem. Even if you don't have any sideburns, you can just pull down the hair that's there. The more I mess with the hair, the bigger it gets, so y'all know I like that. This is definitely beginner friendly. You saw everything that I did. I don't know why some of y'all think I be leaving stuff out. We won't do that around here, partner. I may shorten it up a bit so you don't gotta sit here and watch me just do that, but I show you everything. Honor on my edges. I do wish there was some layers in this wig. I can just go in and cut some of my own if I want to. I'm not gonna do it right now, but later, okay? But that's pretty much all I got for you guys today. It's time for the neighbors to see my looks. Shout out one more time to OMG Her Hair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and a coupon code for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.